Tá fearg orm. Tá iontas orm. Tá áthas orm. Tá áthas orm. What is this gripping high-octane thriller for exactly?
It's my audition tape for stars in your ears.
Eyes.
No, ears. It's for radio presenters who want to break into Irish telly. My ticket to fame, fortune and frank...
Yes, the 3 Fs. Just one tiny flaw in your plan, Mr. Brando.
What's that?
You don't speak Irish.
Ah, I've thought of that. See, that's you there.
Oh, really? What happened to my spine?
You speak Irish into a mic, and I move my mouth up and down. Get it?
Yes, it's suddenly very clear. Well, shall we continue? Let's try bpian.
What's that?
You'll see.